Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you things that you should do and things that you should not do after you upload your YouTube videos. So let's dive in. Number one thing you must know and you must not do is that anytime you upload your videos, try and don't share your videos to people. Don't let random people watch your videos. It's like, for example, now when you upload, now if you share it to your friend to watch, and if that your friend is not interested in your niche, like that your friend doesn't watch the kind of videos you are uploading. YouTube have our own data, right? Whatsoever we are watching on YouTube, algorithm have all those data. If you share it to your friend that doesn't watch the kind of videos you are posting, your category, if you share it to her or to him, even if that your friend watch it to the end or watch it like at the average video duration is okay, it will still have negative impact in your video. Because the reason why is you want to continue to push your video to that your friend, to the kind of videos, to the kind of since algorithm have the metadata of your friend, what your friend normally watches, algorithm will keep pushing your videos to your friend and to other kind of people that are watching the kind of things that your friend are watching. Like for example, now if your friend is into football, or if your friend like watching Korean movie, here you get, or Korean film, and you send your video to your friend watch everything, right? But what you must know is that algorithm will keep on pushing your content to the category of people that likes watching Korean film your friend is watching. So start recommending your videos to them, and if they don't watch your videos, it will signal to algorithm that your video is not good enough. And you yourself, that what you're uploading a good content and your content is valuable, but it's not just the right target audience. So that's why I said, don't share your videos to anyhow. If you know you want to share your video, know that people you are sharing your video to, they are interested in kind of niche that you are into. Sure, you get, like educational niche. Now if you want to share your videos to people or to your friend, make sure they are interested and they watches something like that, related videos like that, they watch it on their particular account. Number two that I'll talk about again is, whenever you upload, don't delete video. Like now you upload and you see that the video is not really doing well, don't delete it, because we don't actually know the kind of video that will do well eventually. It's like, let me just use like something like a lock. So it's like a log. The video might get viral eventually. It's, even though if you have 10 views, 15 views right now, the video might still get viral. So don't delete any videos you are uploading. That video is okay, it is video that is about your niche, please don't delete it, unless you know that video is not particularly about your niche, is a separate video, so you can delete that one. But the video that that is all about your niche and there is value in that video, please don't delete it. Don't delete that video. You don't know when that video will go. It can go viral at any moment, so don't delete it. And one thing you might not know is that whenever you delete video, it might lead to shadow ban. And what do I mean by shadow ban? Some people, I want to explain it, because some people might not actually know the meaning of shadow banning, because on YouTube they will not put, like it has happened to me on my channel before, they don't really put the word shadow ban. You will not see it. They will not tell you that they shadow ban your channel. You will not see it like that, but actually they shadow ban it. Your videos will not be visible in a way it's supposed to, or in a way you were getting views before. You will not be able to get views like that again. They will not show your videos the way they were showing it before. So that means it is shadow ban. No matter how they want to explain it, it's still shadow banning. So make sure you are not deleting videos, because deleting videos severally, it will cause that. All these things are logical. All these things are just, is a normal thing. Like, you to just think about it, your account, and you are deleting, algorithm is to sense something to algorithm that something is wrong with this account, something like you're not serious or you're not ready yet. So it will just shadow ban your account. You just put your account, your videos to one corner. Whenever you upload, you will not be seeing views. Even normal you are complaining that you are not getting views the way you're supposed to get, but it will not make it worse that you not even see much views that you were getting before. So don't let it be in your hobby that anytime you upload you'll be deleting videos. So cancel it out. Don't do that again. If you are doing it before, stop it. Don't do it again. Again, re-uploading videos in sense of when you've uploaded that video before, sure you get, when you have uploaded the video before and you see that the views are not really getting much like I said before, and you delete it, please don't re-upload it back. Any video that you know you want to delete on your channel, make sure you are not re-uploading it back. Even if you re-upload it, don't let it be like constant thing that you'll be doing. Maybe once. In fact, don't do it. Don't even do it at all. Any videos that you know you want to delete, sure you get, any videos you know you want to delete, don't upload it back again. Don't upload that video, because algorithm have already read as the details of everything you said in that video. So if you re-upload it back again, it will flag it, which will cause you to get shadow ban. So any videos you know you don't want to upload on your channel, don't upload it at all. Don't upload it. And if you know that you have already upload videos, maybe you change channel, you want to switch channel, and you want to delete all those videos on your channel that are not related to your current niche now, you can delete them. You know you will not upload them back again, so you can delete all those ones. And again, whenever you upload, don't share it immediately. Let the YouTube algorithm do its own work. Like if you are sharing immediately, you are not allowing it to do its own full work. Maybe if you want to share your video, let it be like you have seen views enough before you share that particular video. In fact, don't share that same day. Let algorithm figure out how to promote the video itself. So don't share your video immediately after you upload. Again, I will advise that whenever you upload your YouTube video, whenever you finish uploading your YouTube video is live, make sure you go to another separate account. It might be on that your same phone you are using to upload, or different phone, anyhow you want to do, but make sure it's on different accounts. Use different accounts. Make sure you watch your video that you upload. Make sure you watch it to the end, even before anybody starts viewing it. Make sure you watch it to the end. It will give algorithm the kind of sense that your video makes sense, like people like it, that's why, or people like your channel, that's why they are watching it on time, or this kind of thing. So make sure whenever you upload your video, you switch to another account and watch it to the end, from start to the beginning. Make sure it is your video, right? So make sure you watch it to the end, not even half of the way. Make sure you finish it from start to the end. And again, whenever you upload, try and share it to your community. Like, even though for me that I've not even gotten up to 50 subscribers, I can share my video to my community, like my link, I can share it to my community. So it's kind of helping your video also to go viral also. So try and share your videos whenever you upload it, the link, share it to community posts. And uploading time, like, some people normally say upload this time. What I would say about it is, if you know you are targeting some kind of people, like country, know the time they are always active to watch things online. Try and be posting towards that time. And if not, I don't really see, like, it's not really working like that for me. For my other channel that I'm monetized there, I'm not really seeing his work like that. So for me, I upload, sometimes I upload anytime. I don't really give priority to time. That's just it. So I upload and I still get my view. So that's how it is. But if you know you are targeting some specific country, try and know their time they are active, not the time they are sleeping. That's when you now post your video. And if you know also that people know this is the particular time you are posting, you have already said it in your people already know you that, oh, this is so time you normally post, or these days you normally post. Try and keep up to that so that you not discourage your audience. I hope I've shared some valuable information that you can apply whenever you upload your videos on your YouTube. So don't forget to like this video and share it to other people that you think might like it and help also. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.